Lana kusenzaweni la kuhlala khona bonogadza eMidstream Estate eJozi. La bonogadza batshelwe ukuthi abagome nabehlulwa nguloko babambe labeta ngayo.
The letter that was sent to us by the landlord to inform us that should we decline vaccinating by the 31 August 2021, we should therefore be evicted from the barracks, or our lease contract will be terminated by the end of September 2021.
Emalungelo elunfu yesabise ngekuyisa lolu dzaba enkantolo.
We had already made a determination that this was a potentially litigious matter which we would have wanted to take to court as a test case. But we are heartened by the posture that has been taken by the property management company.
Yabhalwa mhla imfica kulenyanga ingufakazi ukuthi bonogadza labahlala lana baniketwa umyalo lothi nabasafuna kuchubeka bahlale kulendzawo kumele bagome. Kepha ngemuva kwetikhalo labaphethe lendzawo sebagaya ngalomunye umhlatsi. Bathi tisebenti letingafuni kugoma tisengachubeka tihlale kulendzawo.
Alternative. And we wanted to make sure that it's a communal living arrangement, and we wanted to make sure that the majority of the guys are safe.
But do you concede that you made a mistake in the issuing of that? Because
that is why the letter was withdrawn.
These individuals have been employed as security guards, and therefore this entire relationship is now subject, employer-employee relationship, is subject to the bargaining council.
Tati ngetindzaba tetisebenti titsi bachashi kumele bati emalungelo etisebenti. Bonke ke banelitsemba lekutsi simo sitawubuyela kulesetayelekile.